Welcome back to another episode of What's the Frame? This is the first in a series of 3 episodes that are looking at one particular project that we recently shot, which is around a polo club. So with this image here, what we wanted to capture is 2 polo fields that were side by side, which was newly completed by our client. And for this shot, we had a polo player in situation on the field to really give a perspective into the vastness of each site. However, it wouldn't have given a great eye line for the rest of the shot. So what we did is put them towards the bottom corner of the frame so that we could show the vastness of the polo fields in their entirety and work with the lovely lines that are in the lawn. And what that does is really open up the image. Now we've got the 3 elements that I would normally stick by, that being blue sky, which is a lovely horizon. We've got the polo fields here, and then finally we've got our polo player who's sitting out of frame, which just gives us that context as to what this is rather than it being an empty field. Another interesting point is the frame and the aspect ratio of this image. Normally we would shoot photography in 4:3 as a rule of thumb. But because it was quite a wide frame, we actually shot this in 16:9. And I'm glad we did, because it just gives more of a horizon and a slightly wider aspect to this shot rather than it being more square. And that is why I like this image.